Need for reverse decoupage. First thing is filament decoupage paper and a glass plate. Chalk paint according to the paper color. Here I have dark blue and green color. Heavy gesso to cover all the materials. Decomagic decoupage glue. This is in a matte form. We also have Decoupage glue gloss, decor varnish. We both have matte and gloss, but here I am using the gloss one. Let's begin this process. The first step is you have to clean your base, that is our plate, and you have to measure the paper size according to the inner circle of your plate. Something like this, and we are going to cut it and save for later. Remember one tips, that is in reverse decoupage, whatever step we are doing in the normal decoupage, we are doing the same things but in a reverse manner. So that whatever step we are doing in the first, we are doing it here in the last step. Just like we applied gesso in the first layer of our decoupage technique, but here we are applying gesso on the last. That is the techniques of reverse decoupage, that we are doing the decoupage on a reverse manner. So that whenever you are seeing the plate in the front side, you have seen the complete decoupage technique inside of your plate. After cutting the paper, don't forget to check it from the front side, that how does it fix to your center. Step 2. Apply crackled medium all over to your base on a back side. Remember, this is a reverse decoupage, so we have to do everything on a reverse side. After applying a thick layer, let it be dry completely for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then start applying Decoupage glue on the inner center of your circle. Here is an optional tips for you. You can apply any gold metallic powder on the outer edge just to give it a nice glossy finish. To attach the decoupage paper, here I am applying Decoupage matte glue on an inner circle of our plate. Take it adequate amount of glue and apply it with a flat brush. Make sure you have applied only in the inner side. As it is a reverse decoupage technique, you cannot see what is going in the front side. So make sure you are attaching your paper from the back side. Just see the front and decide it where you have to place your paper. You have to do it something like this and give it a nice press. Now turn around the base and just apply a little bit of pressure with your fingers just to attach your decoupage paper nice and clean. Make sure no air bubbles are there in between your paper and your base. You can also place a plastic and give it a press so that air bubbles will
let
removed
it dry in between
and no
the time,
cracks is
just
there
apply
in
a
your
darker
decoupage
color
paper.
on the outer edge. Here I am applying black. You can also apply the dark blue.
That is completely up to you that what color that you need. Apply another shade of blue on a side of your paper and just merge this dark color with a light color with a sponge. Once your color is going to dry, your beautiful cracks are appear. This is because of the crackled medium we have applied. Make sure to check your plate again and again from the front to know how does it look. Apply heavy gesso on the upper side of your paper. Where we have applied the decoupage paper, apply heavy gesso on the top of it just to cover it and give it a nice base. Apply a nice good coat of varnish over all of your plate from the back side just to secure the cracks, so that if you apply another coat of color, the color will not be cracked, because we have sealed every cracks medium with our varnish. Now my varnish is almost dried, but you can see these cracks from the behind, it will look clear. So I decided to apply a green color on the outer edge so that the cracks will look green. This is the final look. You can see how beautiful this color combination looks like.